Hey guys, so in today's video we'll be doing the hood removal on a 2023 Backcountry X 850. This is a Gen 4 chassis still, so we'll go ahead and start by removing the windshield. Set that down. We can go ahead and remove the dash. And for a reminder, this is T25 socket Torx. You remove the glove box. Dash just unclips. Pull the red pin. Push the button, that pulls off. Then you have another connector on the bottom here. And it slides off. So go ahead and unplug your headlights. And there's another sensor. I'm not sure which one it is, but okay. So once that's there, you can tuck them up here, like so. There's gonna be two more Torx here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these right here. Alright, I'll go ahead and open up both side panels. Next off, we're gonna have to remove the Airbox fitting, or Airbox hose clamp. This little screw right here you have to untight. Then you can slide off the boot. Alright, so we have two more Torx on the front with these washers. This side. One more on this side here. Alright, set these here. I like putting them on where the gas cap is, because there's only 2 to 4 bolts. You won't lose them, to stay right there. So this should slide right off. What you have to do is make sure that this kind of comes up and then out towards the front. Grab the whole assembly, comes right off. Thanks guys for watching this video. Make sure to go give a thumbs up and subscription, and stay tuned for more videos.